Okay, folks, here we are. We finish her up at the car wash in a snowstorm, because if you really want to get your project done, you will do it one way or another. Like, look at that black paint. This is a 77 frame, folks, and it's in better shape than the truck it's towing it by a long shot. I mean, look at this thing. Yeah, I don't know, see what I'm saying? But where there's a will, there's a way. You come right to the car wash in a snowstorm and get it done if you have to. If you want it, you want to get your project done, just do it. Figure it out.